Hello guys, my name is Rahul Singh and you guys are welcome in my this YouTube channel called Mentor Rahul. I'm going to share one of the result on my store, and this is the one of the store which I started just today, guys, and and you will be surprised to see that within just today itself we got two orders, and the total visual is just nine, guys. Let me show you something, let's go in the analytics section right now. I hope you will like it. And so you can see, guys, for the today only, you can see for today we have received two orders, and our conversion rate is more than 22%, and total visitor was just nine, guys. So out of nine, we received two orders. So this is so amazing. Right now, even this client who lost around 700 to $800 on the ads campaign, but when she joined me and when she to and I started running ads for the today only, and he was amazed to see the result for the today, guys. So I hope, guys, you will like this result, you like this video. And if you want to learn about the e-commerce, and not about the e-commerce also, if you want to learn about how to make money online, how to generate money, so please subscribe this channel and also like the channel. And if you want, please share this channel so that everyone can learn on that how they can make money while being at home. So guys, I'll close this video and see you in the next video. Thank you. Tata. Bye.